favorite time of the year. Yes!
Every year, the school board organizes a cooking competition for all the schools in the local government. This year's edition is going to be special because the prize has gone up.
Yes! The winner goes home with $5 million.
Yes, $5 million.
$5 million? No! Please go and tell them that is 5 million naira. Don't you know, if you convert it, it will cause infection? Don't tell them, please.
Madam, it's not infection, it's inflection.
Go and tell them it will cause infection. It's 5 million naira, not $5 million.
5 million.
You want to bring infection all over the place?
Sorry, the winner goes on with 5 million naira.
This year we have 5 representatives from 5 schools. And of course, presenting our school is Miss EKG.
Miss EKG holds the record as the best chef in our school. Many people doesn't know this, but Miss EKG is actually attending the school on scholarship.
Have you seen it?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Mr. Chance.
Ah, young lady.
Huh?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, how am I helping?
I brought food for you.
You brought food for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook? This is small girl. Wow. Hey. I should eat, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Oh my God!
Mr. Toss. Wait, just hold on. Wow! Mr. Chas.
Madam.
Mr. Chas. This girl, eh? This girl must be given scholarship. Mr. Chas, land her a scholarship. No school fees for 2 years.
It's not scholarship.
Shut up! Nyanya scholarship. You're a nice girl. Yes, yes. I've never seen this kind of food. Yes. Yeah?
We also have top chefs coming from other schools, but the one that stood out is Chef Mildred Obasi, aka Hilda Basi.
We call her Hilda Basi because you already know.
Hilda Basi is the 5-time winner of this competition and she's favored to win again.
We don't know how true this is, but we hear she's the chief chef of the United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization.
What is the problem, Mr. Tas? Why is it whenever I want to just relax myself and unwind, that is when you bring your trouble? Why? Why, Mr. Charles?
Madam, there is a serious problem like this. Madam.
What is the problem?
Madam, you remember that that girl that want to represent us for this cooking competition? I just got information that that girl that want to represent us in this cooking competition, she's very sick like this and she cannot even represent us again.
You don't mean it. So what do we do now, please?
Madam, like this now, we need to find a new chef.
There's no time. Competition is tomorrow, so we have to go and look for somebody right now. Okay? We have to let me. Hey! Mr. Charles, what is the problem?
Madam, you know, as we are looking for a new chef, I need to be energized so that.
And so, in the energize is in my drink. Let's go and do something important. Mr. Charles, I just pray we'll find somebody that will represent us today because, well, it's already late. Good morning, class. Sit down, sit down. Mr. Charles, please address them.
So, boys and girls, like this now, there is a serious problem at ground. See, the girl that is supposed to represent us for this upcoming cooking competition, she has fallen out sick like this. So like this now, we need a new volunteer.
Sir, who's a volunteer?
Somebody that is cloth after.
Oh my God.
Hey, come on, shut up. Come on, shut up, Mission. You think we're here to play? Mr. Charles, continue.
So, like this now. If you know how to cook, just say that you know how to cook very well like this. Raise up your hand.
I know you people will disappoint me. Mr. Charles, I know this, they're only good in making noise. Mr. Charles, let us go to the other class and see if I can see somebody, eh?
Okay. Madam, wow. You have somebody.
Who is this one?
Chidozie.
Chidozie? What do you know about food? We are not talking of somebody that will eat. We are talking of somebody that will cook. So what do you know about food?
Everything.
Everything. Oh yeah, let me hear you.
Food was invented in the year 1850 by a man named Edward Food. He was a British explorer. He invented food while in the wilderness for 2 weeks, where hunger nearly killed him. He cut down 2 trees. One he named Carbo and the other Hydrate. And in combination, he named it Carbohydrate.
Mr. Charles,
Madam.
we found our chef. Yes, great.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are down to the final 2 contestants. Please, a round of applause to them. Let the cooking begin.
Abracapenda!
Madam, this boy is going to bother this group.
Let him cook.
Madam, let's do something.
Please let him cook.
This boy has intentions of this group.
Let him cook.
So, ladies and gentlemen, our chefs are done cooking. Smells lovely. Can we allow the judge to taste the food and tell us what you think? She's full of smiles. Something's about to happen.
Well, it's like we have gotten our winner already.
Hilda.
You see, as a professional food critic, I don't think anyone can beat to what I have tasted.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard what she said. It seems to have a winner. Please, a round of applause. Anyways, let's not just be like we declared one person the winner without giving the other person a chance. To fulfill our righteousness, please, I would like you to taste the other food. Tell us what you think.
Can't say anything until it's been tested.
Hold up. Something is happening here. Ladies and gentlemen, something is happening here.
What's going on here?
She's crying. George, please tell us. Why are you crying? Everybody wants to know. Do you all want to know?
Yes.
Why are you crying? Tell us.
This food. This food reminds me of my late grandmother's cooking. Oh, please, can I go home with some?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have our winner here. Our winner is no other person than the wonderful Chigozie.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love is in the air.
Today is Valentine's Day and it's also Miss Monica's birthday. As always, we prepare a special birthday surprise for her.
Don't worry, we're not going to set anybody on fire or blow anybody up.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, everyone. Please settle down. Thank you so much. And so today we are going to be discussing on what's going on. Why are you smiling like that?
Nothing, ma. Happy Valentine, ma.
Same to you.
Happy Valentine, ma.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Settle down. Okay, let's continue. I don't understand. The looks on your faces. What's the matter? What's happening? Chigozie, what is it?
Happy Christmas, man. Sorry. Happy December.
Oh my God.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys are so wonderful. Thank you very much.
Now presenting Saint Valentine. Saint Valentine, saint of the Roman Empire, born on the 3rd century.
Saint Valentine lived a life of love and compassion, and on the 14th of February, he died for love.
Are we dead?
Wow. Guys, I thank you all so much. Like, you really made my day. I wasn't expecting this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, okay?
And for our final act, we present
Oh, you haven't even finished.
the high school choir. Cue the lights.
today is the best day of my life. Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Chidozie, please. Please stop crying, okay? I'm still here with you guys. Stop crying. I'm not going anywhere.
Hey, I found it.
You found what?
I thought I lost my cookie.
Wait. Were you crying for cookie?
Yes, ma'am.
Hell.
Why am I going to cry? Say the one I love. Say the one I love. Say the one I kiss.
Jesus.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, everyone. No one has ever done this for me before. You may not know this about me, but I grew up as an orphan. I lost my both parents at a very tender age. There was nobody to love me.
We love you. We love you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you too. I love you too. You see, life hasn't been easy for me as a single lady. Yes. All my friends have gotten married. And my boyfriend, Stanley, he left me. Chidozie, why are you crying? Have you lost your cookie again?
No. Your story. You're touching me.
Chidozie, don't break my heart. Chidozie, it's okay. Everything will be okay.
And that brings us to the final surprise of the day.
I don't understand what's going on.
Monica, my love, will you marry me?
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
Well, we really thought she was going to say yes. But it's okay. This means we are going to do a part 2.
Watch out for part 2.
Boom! The guy now came out. He came out. He now saw the girl from far. He was thinking the girl was less because of how she dressed casually. Guess what? Brought out his gun. He shot the girl. Boom! Don't fear, it's not you. He shot the girl. The girl dodged it. The girl was now coming close. Dim. Before you know it, she hit him. Pew! The gun fell down. She now gave him 2 punches. Pew! She now gave him kick. Pew! No, it's not you. It's the girl. She now give him. Pew! The guy now fall down. He was not very weak. Now raised up his head. You know that smackdown that Central used to give in wrestling? That's what the guy now give him. The guy now give him. The guy now died. That's how the film ended.
I think it's film trick. It's what director said they should do. That's what they are doing.
But there's some girls that can fight too.
So like this now, like I am now, like this now, you say a girl will beat me. It's not possible.
What is this one saying? But there's some girls that can beat boys too.
I say it's a lie. Why will you be saying that kind of thing? Like this, as I am like this now, no girl can beat me like this. If a girl beat me, call me bastard.
You should call you bastard.
I say any girl that beat me like this, call me goat.
Okay. Which one are we calling you? Bastard or goat?
Bastard goat.
Jesus!
Good morning, sir.
Yes, please, settle down. So, we're looking at So today we are going to concern ourselves with the topic photosynthesis. What's funny?
Nothing, sir.
So why are people laughing? Well, like I said, so today we are going to look at photosynthesis. What is really your problem? What is really your problem? What is really your problem?
Sir, you said photosynthesis.
Yes, I know what I said. Photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. Now, photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Do you understand what I said?
No!
Yes, yes.
So please, can you speak English? We don't understand French.
You never see anything. You never see anything. You just touch. You never see anything.
I said photosynthesis is the process by which plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. I also said that photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Hey, where are you going to?
So I want to go and pour water on my head.
Why?
Sir, I don't understand this thing you're teaching. Too many English in one place. It's too much for me.
Hey, my friend. Will you go and sit down? Will you go and sit down? So you people don't understand photosynthesis?
Sir, the only photo we understand is the one we used to post on Instagram. Any other photo, we don't understand.
My God.
Oh, schoolboy, you give me.
Everywhere I scatter them. That's one boy when we were going to Arochiku. The boy now say, why is our driver driving in here? I just told driver, don't worry, leave it for me, I'm going to control it. I just came down. I said, why are you talking to our driver like this? Before the boy will explain, I gave him pa! And he's mad.
Like boy.
Blood just come out. I gave him better blow like this. The kind of blow I gave to him, nobody can try anything and say, come, are you not seeing road?
Are you blind?
Look at this girl, oh. You walk on my lane and you hit me and you say if I'm blind.
Is it your father that did this road?
See this small girl, oh. It's like you don't have respect.
So what are you going to do about it?
Hey! Schoolboy, I heard that this girl used to beat boys. You need to calm down.
You say what is wrong with you?
Hey! I think he say if any girl beat you, we should call you bastard. Bastard. Good. Bastard. Good. Let's go.
You see, your shop is smart, eh? Hey! You should call him bastard.
Look at the way the girl just carry you up and flog you. Make it way too.
Wait, listen.
Say bastard, Abi.
Bastard, though. Bastard. So you should call him good, sir.
I'm going to bastard, bastard. Please, let me meet your payment. My pen is not right.
Oh my God.
Brother, bastard. So he said that you are and I've been looking for you everywhere. Small now, the food provoke you.
See, it's not that I know why that girl beats me.
Why?
Because I'm not eating now.
Will you keep quiet?
If I eat now like this, who is her self that I should come and compete it now? I'll beat her like this.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I want to join you and eat now.
Who told you I'm eating? It's training and training. I'm training for war. I'm preparing for war. I want to go to the battlefield, deal with her, consume her, tear her apart. It's war, not food. Training for war.
Is this meat your weapon? Look at this.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good morning, ma.
So you're hiding from me?
No, I'm not hiding, no.
Then what are you doing inside the bush?
I was learning animal husbandry. It's our brother farm. Bush has plenty inside the farm.
You're very lucky that I'm in a good mood. And let me tell you something. I don't want to see you pass this road again. Hey! You hear me, right? Look for another road to pass. If I see you pass this road again, I'll beat you.